If you have a smartphone in 10 minutes, you can start earning. Here are 3 simple apps that anyone can use. Before moving to the third app, let me tell you what you can expect from these apps. These apps won't make you rich, but you can earn some extra cash in your spare time. The third app in our list is Cash.gg. Create a completely free account by entering your email, or you can sign up through your Google account. This is the interface of the app. If you click on the offer section, here are different offers to make money by completing offers. If you click on the task, first you can make money by following the account on X and Instagram and subscribing the YouTube channel. If you click on the apps, here you can make money by installing apps. You can also make money by playing games. You can make money through referrals. You get 10% earned points by your friends. You can withdraw your earnings through PayPal, Binance, and even gift cards. The second app in the list is one of my favorites. Here you can make money by just following your hobby. This is the interface of the app. If you click on the music, here you can make money by playing your favorite songs. The more you play the song, the more money you will earn. If you love playing games, then this app is the best opportunity for you to make some extra cash while playing games. This app pays you for every minute you play. You can also make money by completing different offers. You can also make money through referrals. You can earn up to $2.50 by inviting your friends. The first app in our list is Rewards One. This is one of the best survey apps. If you click on the survey, here are a lot of surveys you can make money from. There is also a daily survey that you can complete daily to make money. If you click on the offers, here you can make money by completing different offers from different companies. There is also a daily poll. You can make money from it by participating in the poll. You can withdraw your earnings through PayPal and even gift cards.